Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys why you could probably lose friends on Roblox. It's not the most times, but sometimes maybe your friend said something and they're banned from Roblox. So make sure, I don't know, you have contacts than Roblox, but the safest way is to contact somebody through Roblox anyways. And well, they could maybe block you and friend you, or they probably just stop playing Roblox entirely. I know I've played like Roblox before, and I didn't really play the game because I mean, Just to Impress didn't exist before, and I didn't really try to find other games other than Just to Impress and stuff like that. But now, as you can see, I play a lot of games. The games I do recommend playing are escape rooms, Fish, Just to Impress. Fish is a little bit boring sometimes, but if you like talk with your friends, it's fun. Karaoke sing it. I don't play Bloxburg anymore that much, but I hope I'll get back to that soon. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.